Good morning everyone. We are heading to Palermo today, the capital of Sicily. So the cathedral, in fact you can see people on the roof, kind of cool. Grazie. Hi everyone, so this is Mercato del Capo, so one of the main markets in Palermo. Lots of life, very vibrant, food, wow, lots of things to buy. Grazie. When you're standing in the middle of this room, wow. They say when you stand in the middle of this room, it echoes everything. Gorgeous. We've come to Sephora. When in Europe, you have to come here. They've got so much new stuff as well.
Más bonito del limoncello fresco. O sea, tú quieres limoncello.
It's a lot later in the day now. We have come back to the apartment, freshened up, and now ready to head out for dinner. The boat tour was so fun, and I would highly recommend the boat tour that we went on. It was here, and a highlight for me so far.
Don't get the bus. Just don't rely on it.
tiny.
So, hi guys. This is literally...
Yes, the height comparison is a bit nuts, I'll be honest. Sophie's actually gone home because she's had to fly back to get to a wedding for tomorrow. So it's just me and Marta.
Oh, an old camera.
Mm-hmm.
It's vintage.
Grazie. Cheers, my dears. Morning, everyone. We're passing the time before our flight. Shopping, having a look at the shops nearby. Grabbed a coffee this morning.